Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful bandana step by step. I'm using 2.5 mm hook and cotton yarn. Let's get started. I'll start by making magic ring. First make a 2 chains, 1, 2, and then into the ring make a 2 double crochet. First and second. With the first chains, we have a 3 double crochet. Now make a 2 chains. Into the same magic ring, make a 3 double crochet. Again, 2 chains. And again, into the ring, make a 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Look. Now close the ring by pulling the yarn. Now make a 2 chains and turn outward. Go into the first 2 chain space and make a 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Make a 2 chains again into the same space. Make a 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Then make a 5 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, and going to the next 2 chains spaces, again make a 3 double crochet, 2 chains, into the same space, again make a 3 double crochets, 2 and 3. Look, like this. Again make a 2 chains, and for next row turn our work and look here. First 2 chain spaces, make a 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet in same space, 2, 3, 2 chains and 3 double crochet again in same space. And here look, 5 chains again. Make a 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and going here look, connecting it to the exact middle of the 5 chain with a single crochet. Again make a 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and going to the last 2 chain spaces and make a 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochets, 2, 3, 2 chains and 3 double crochets. Look, we're going to make a mesh, and this is the edge of our bandana. For next row, again make a 2 chains, turn our work. In 2 chain spaces, there is no difference, actually just repeating what we did in the previous rows. And I'm going to show you again in the 2 chain spaces, 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochets in same space, and look, after that we are going to make a 5 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Look, next space, join by single crochet, again 5 chains, 5, next space join by single crochet, and look here, 5 chains, look, we reach to the 2 chains space and we repeat what we did in previous rows, 3 double crochets and 2 chains and 3 double crochets in same spaces. Look, and we can enlarge this model by increasing it as much as you want. Just keep continue until you reach to your desired size of bandana. If you want to make for adults, it's better to enlarge by 46 centimeter, and we will continue our pattern in this way. Okay, as you see, I completed my pattern to my desired size. Actually, I completed from here until here about 46 centimeter, because I'm making this bandana for an adult size. Actually, if you wish, you can make this edging part with another or in different colors. I'll continue in this same color. Okay, now I finished my work and now I'm going to make the edge part. Make 9 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Going to the 4th chains. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Make 2 chains and make slip stitches in same. We're going to make leaves. This is our first leaf, and again 2 chains into the same space. I'll make another leaf here by making 2 double crochets, 1, 2, then make 2 chains and make a slip stitch in same. This is our second leaves, and the last leaves again start with 2 chains, making 2 double crochet in same space, 1, 2, 2 chains and 1 slip stitch in same. Look, I shape with my hands, and this is our cute little flower. Yes, we will crochet totally 3 leaves like this in this space, and we did it. And make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going to the next 2 chain spaces here. Yes, look, this is our first and this is our next 2 chain spaces. Make 1 single crochet, Look, it's done. One of our flower. Now again, for making another leaves, making again 9 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Going to the look, 4th chain, 1 2 3, look, 1 2 3 4, and we'll repeat again from the 4th chain, making 2 double crochets, 1 2 2 chains, make a slip stitch in same, again in same, make a 2 chains, 2 double crochet, 1 2, make a slip stitch, and the last leaf, 2 chains, 2 double crochet, 2, and make a slip stitches. Look, shape with your hand. Our leaves are completed. And going to the next 2 chain spaces here. 1 2 3 4 5. Actually, you can make more than 5. It's up to you, okay? But 5 is good. And making 1 single crochet, look, and join it. Look at the edge part. Look, and like this, we keep continue all way, look, all way until we reach here, okay? I reach to this part, the corner of our bandana, the corner at the bottom of our bandana. Now I'm going to show you how to make a flower in this part. Just we are going to increase the number of chains here because I want that this flower a little longer from these ones. Okay, now here we're going to make 7 chains instead of 5 chains. 2 3 4 5 6 7, and look, making exactly at the middle of, making 1 single crochet, look, and then here we're going to make 11 chains, and instead of 9 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and go back into the 4th chain, 1 2 3 4, and do like before, and making leaves, 2 chains, slip stitch, second leaf, first make 2 chains, in same space make 2 double crochet, 1 2 2 chains, make a slip stitch, two chains, 2 double crochet, 1 2 2 chains, slip stitches, look, and again making 7 chains, 3 4 4, 5, 6, 7, and going look. Look, I've made and completed and reached to the corner. Look. Here, into the last 2 chain spaces. Now, after making the last flower here, we're going to the, look, next space by making single crochets over these 2 double crochets and coming into the next space. Now we're gonna make the tie part. For the tie part, I make 15 chains. That's enough for me. But you can make chains more or less. Making chains 2, 3, 4, and going from the look here. The previous chain, okay, I make 50 chains, and from the 49th chain making slip stitches into every chain until the end. I've made and completed the tie, and now going to the look, going to the 2 chain spaces and above the double crochets by making, look, above the first double crochet making single crochet, next single crochet, next, and filling the spaces, every spaces, these spaces, with 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, without any chains, going to the next space and fill by single crochet, 5 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, and until the end, after filling these spaces with 5 single crochet, and here again we coming, look, into this space, and again like the other side we're going to make a tie, and our bandana is finished. Make it and I'll coming back. Okay, as you see, I reached to the end and make another tie for this side of my bandana, and after making my tie, look, and going here in 2 spaces, 2 chain spaces, making slip stitches and make a 1 chain and cut my yarn, and I'm going to hide this yarn too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.